Alright, we're out here at the lathe. A couple things that we're going to need. Here's a 1/8 inch drill bit. Had a couple of them. The oldest one I cut down with my grinder so I could use the end of it as a post. That's a live center. I believe it's a 60 degree. I believe they call these a 5/8 inch crown center drive. That's a drill chuck, my regular chuck itself, and you can use the original tools that came with your lathe. Carbide cutter here, other small cutting tools. We're gonna get started here. Alright, here's our blanks that we made. Now what we need to do is we need to figure out where we want our centers, and that's what I'm going to go through and do on each one of these, is pick my center points. So my first tool I'm using is my crown and my live center. I'm just going to put my bead between the 2 points, center, turn it round all the way, maybe just one end. I'm going to end up putting this in the chuck to drill it, so always spin. Make sure it never hits your tool rest before you turn on your lathe. This is just habit. I will do this a lot as I sit here, just because I taught myself that as long as I can freely spin it, when I turn on the tool, I know I'm not hitting nothing. Alright, here's our blank. We're going to end up getting 2 beads out of this. It's about 1 3/4 inches long. We'll just cut it in half. And we check this up. We can part that off if you really want to. You can even use a little handsaw. Cut it off much thinner kerf than your parting tool. Got our 2 blanks now. And we want to make sure that we have enough of a peg to allow the live center. That should be about right. And the rest of the sandpaper. That's really cool there. I don't want to take any more of that. So cool looking.